Hello students, what's up? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Now I Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to teach you the very important segment of this chapter, No Men Are Foreign, and this segment is called question answer, and these question answer are very much important, keeping in your mind for your half yearly papers and so on further papers. So now we'll go through the exercise. Short question answer, long question answer, multiple choice questions, this all, and it will be quite helpful for all of you. Now let us see. So we are starting with a short question answer. The question is on your screen. What is the central idea of the poem? So since you have read the poem, I have explained it. मैंने उस पोएम को बेसिक जो लैंग्वेज होता है उस लैंग्वेज में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. So now it's test time. Let's see. The solution is on your screen. The central idea of the poem is that all human beings are similar and equal. Hence, we should love one another and live in peace and harmony. Universal brotherhood and harmonious coexistence will not only unite us but will also save our Mother Earth from getting polluted and damaged. So guys, you can take the screenshot of these answers, these solutions, because these are very important questions. It will be quite helpful. Let it be from any school. Next question is that what is the meaning of peaceful harvests? Think about it. Try to answer the question in the comment section. I'm just waiting, because you all have read the chapter minutely and just seen the video so carefully, so the answer must be expected from teacher side. So I'm just expecting the answer you should answer in the comment section. Now I'm showing you the solution. By peaceful harvests we mean the crops grown during the period of peace. Okay, now let us move and see another. What do wars result in? So if you can answer in the comment section, you just answer the question and I'll be showing you the solution as well. Destruction of lives and resources. This is the answer. Next, how does the poet show that all men are same? Explain. Now in this poem, how does the poet is showing that all men are same? So उसको हम लोग को explain करना. So I'll show you the solution because it's a long answer. All people of the world have eyes similar to ours. सारे लोग जो इस दुनिया में है उनकी आंखें हमारी जैसी होती है. They too experience the phenomena of sleeping and waking up like us. वो सेम वही चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं जैसे कि सोना चलना फिरना जैसे हम करते हैं. The emotion of love too is experienced and responded in a similar manner by all the people. जो एक भावुक क्षण होता है, प्यार का क्षण होता है, वो भी वो लोग ऐसे ही महसूस करते हैं जैसे हम लोग महसूस करते हैं. Everyone's physical strength can be countered with the power of love. और हर एक प्रत्येक इंसान का जो शारीरिक शक्ति है वो उनके अंदर में कितना डिज़ायर है, कितना प्यार है, उससे भी समझा जा सकता है. So this is the explanation. Now the last question in this segment. In 4 stanza out of 5, the poet uses the word remember. Why do you think he has repeated this word so many times? So if you can answer in the comment section. I'll be also showing you the answer, so you can match the answer with your answer. It's a long answer. Okay guys, now we'll move and see another segment of the question answer round video. Now we'll see It's a multiple choice question. You can see the options. What are we doing to the human earth? Defilling, saving, decorating, sustaining. So now this is another segment of question answer chapter of No Men Are Foreign. What are we doing to the human earth? Option A, refilling. Option B, saving. C, decorating. And D, sustaining. So what is the correct answer? You can answer this question in the comment section. Come on guys, now just go and give the correct answer. The correct answer is defilling. Now we'll see next question. A single body breathes beneath all. A single body breathes beneath all. Like he talks about what? Uniforms, souls, heads, alls. What will be the correct answer, guys? Comment in the comment section box your answers. I'm waiting for your answer. The correct answer is uniforms. Now we'll see next. In the end, we all shall lie in where? What is the correct answer? That is earth. Next, what are all people aware of? सारे लोग किस चीज़ के बारे में जान रहे हैं? सन, एयर, वाटर, ऑल. Answer your answer in the comment section. And I'll see the last question. How can strength be won? You can choose the correct option: by war, by hatred, by love, by strength. Strength कैसे जीता जा सकता है? Correct answer: by love. Okay guys, now we'll see a long question answer. And the first question for you is, wars have always brought total ruin in this world. Yes, they are fought repeatedly. Discuss. So you have to discuss in this question, and to write this question आपको इसका जवाब लिखने के लिए 10 to 15 sentences ऐड करने होंगे, लिखने होंगे, तब जाके ये डिस्कस होगा. So I would rather suggest you all to take the screenshot of the answer. The solution is on your screen. You can see here. Wars are the results of over ambition and greed of irresponsible rulers of the world. They bring ruin both to the victor and the vanquished by shattering the economy of the warring countries. So you can see it will take much time in reading, so I will suggest you to rather take the screenshot rather reading the answer. Now we'll move to another question. Second question, how does the title sum up the theme of the poem No Men Are Foreign? टाइटल कैसे सम अप करता है जो थीम ऑफ द पोएम है नो मेन आर फॉरेन को? आंसर इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन. गाइज यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस आंसर्स. इट विल बी क्वाइट हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. आपके लिए काफ़ी उपयोगी होगा. नाउ विल सी अनदर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हु डज द पोइट रेफर टू एज आवर ब्रदर्स एंड वाई? किसको जो है पोइट अपना हमारे भाई के तौर पे बोलता है और क्यों बोलता है? दैट विल सी. He poet refers to the people living in other countries as our brothers. बाकी के आंसर आप स्क्रीनशॉट में पढ़ सकते हैं. We'll move to the next question. How does the poem justify that the people in all countries of the world are essentially the same? इसका आंसर भी आपके स्क्रीन पे है सामने. You can take the screenshot for your writing notes purpose. Well guys, now we have seen short question answer, multiple choice question answer, and we have seen long question answer. Now it's time for another segment, that is very short question answer. So we'll see very short question answer. Now you can see the question on your screen. Where do we all walk upon? The answer is we all walk on the same earth. Guys, you can answer the remaining question first and then you just check out the answer on the screen. It's better you pause and answer the question. What should we remember about man? So try to answer this question in comment section. And the solution, the answer is, we should remember that no men are strange. Now next question, question number 3. What should we remember about countries? Answer fast in the comment section box. The solution is, we should remember that no countries are foreign. Now the last question, what do you mean by peaceful harvest? चलिए जल्दी से आप अपना आंसर कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स में डालिए. By peaceful harvest we mean the crops grown during the period of peace. So guys, we have completed all the question answers, 4 segments, that is short question answer, multiple choice question, very long question answer, and the very short question answer segment, all 4 segments. Now we have finished this chapter, and we'll meet now in another video, very interesting and very you can say knowledgeful video that will be quite helpful for you for coming up examination. You can write these all answers. Thank you guys. Now we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you everyone.